Hi everyone, Louise Marshall here, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to assign managers to a site so they can access rosters, approve changes, and view financial information related to staff pay rates. Let's get started. What is a manager? Understand that managers oversee site-specific staff. Remember, they can view financial data when rostering. Note that they can approve changes for their designated site. How to assign a manager. Click on the Sites tab in your RosterElf account. Select an existing site from your list. Click the Managers tab at the top of the site window. Select the Add button to choose your staff member. Confirm they aren't already an admin or assigned differently elsewhere, assistant managers too. Click the Assistants tab if you need to assign assistant managers. Choose staff just like you did for managers. Save and ensure they have the correct permissions. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Happy rostering!